Hi people, welcome to the second episode of Photoshop 101. Woo! Sorry, my parents are in the other room, sorry. Woo! Alright, so today I'll be teaching you guys not one, not two, okay, see, it's just two, but I'll be teaching you guys two new tools today in Photoshop. But before we get started, of course, do as usual, I'll be putting the timeline here to showcase which part of the video is what, like, so that you guys can skip through and learn as you watch this. If you rewatch this video, I don't know what I'm saying, like I'm tired and it's nighttime, but you know what I mean. Stick till the end of the video where you'll receive a bonus tip about Photoshop. Alright, so yeah, that's that. So without further ado, let's start today's video. Alright, so we're now in Photoshop, and why do I have a freaking cockroach at the home screen page, alright? Because today I'm gonna teach you guys how to get rid of this little bugger, alright? So we have a cockroach right here. How do I get rid of it and make this entire landscape blue, alright? Easy, alright? So today, the tool I'll be teaching you guys is called clone stamping tool, alright? It's like, when you start out Photoshop, this is like one of the basic tools you have to know, which is the clone stamping tool, because I'll show you why, alright? So let's get rid of this little bugger, alright? So your clone stamping tool, alright, shortcut is S, so you click S. Then, okay, right now this cockroach is a smart it's a smart object. So basically you have to click it, right, left click it, and after it will come out this thing, and you just press OK on the rest side. Then after that, alright, you let me just zoom in for you guys. Alright, is it record? Okay. Then you keyboard shortcut S to go straight to the clone stamping tool. Then you'll see this icon. Then after that, you just option click, alright, select option, select the part you want, then you just freaking get rid of this goddamn cockroach. Alright, hold on. And if you want to make it bigger, it's the same as the brush tool and any other tool. You just press the open bracket to make it bigger, alright? And the close bracket to make it smaller. Yeah, so let's get rid of this whole cockroach. Sorry. Let's do that quickly. Right. Okay. Oh, get rid of it. Alright. Shit. Let's go. Okay, first try.
First try.
Nice. So you just learned how to use the clone stamping tool and increase and decrease the size of the clone stamping tool, alright? Alright, next is I have this other picture for you guys. Right, this is a picture of my lovely friend slash model, Precarious. And yeah, so this is a nice lovely portrait, and it's nice, but the problem here is that at the right bottom corner there's this freaking signage and this black tape. So how do I freaking get rid of it, alright? Wait, you just learned a tool called clone stamping. Alright, so you just get rid of this by using clone stamp as well. So I create a secondary layer. So you create the secondary layer, so it's because of it. Let me just get rid of it. So you just option up, or or you can just command J and make a copy layer. The reason you do this is just in case you make a mistake, so that you can just make the mistake from the top layer and not the entire layer. Because if you just, let's just say, right, you make a mistake here, okay, you don't want to clone stamp it, there's no other layer to fall back on. So that's why you should pro tip, just always make a duplicate layer, alright? So you can just get rid of it just by clone stamping. But to be honest, it's just for lesson purpose, so I won't do it that accurately. So just get rid of it. Okay, now that's better, right? So this is before, after you use the clone stamp tool, alright? So you just learn how to use the clone stamp tool, alright? Okay, other quick way which I kind of get rid of things that are just obstructive in my picture and I just don't want it is this second tool which I'm going to teach you right now, alright? Just close it and you could just create a dot layer. So let me just call this layer that we just used the clone stamp layer, alright? Call this layer the clone stamp layer. And this layer, okay, I'll teach you guys right now. So the second tool which you'll learn today is called the rectangular Marquee tool. To be honest, I really don't know how to pronounce it. I never knew the pronunciation of this, but yeah, I just call it the rectangular thingy. So, but yeah, so this what it does is I show you guys what it does. So I usually just keyboard shortcut M, alright? Then you just drag it over, alright? Drag it over the layer, alright? So it'll create this pixel selection. Then here comes the magic part. What you do is you just shift delete, alright? You press shift delete. After shift delete, this thing will pop out and it'll say content aware. If it says the other thing, just change it to content aware. Then change it to 100% opacity. Mode is just normal. Color adaptation. Tick. Put a tick on it, or the color won't adapt to the changes that you made. Wait, sorry y'all. I'm so sorry. Then you just press OK and see the magic happen. Watch the fill bar load and see the magic happen. It's loading. Loading, I might just get a sip of Milo. It's quite long. Alright, then with magic, the whole freaking signage just disappears just like that. So this is okay, let me just call it the rectangular tool. Then this is before. This is before you use the rectangular tool. This is after you use the rectangular tool. And just like that, you just learned 2 new tools in Photoshop. You're welcome. Alright, bonus tip. Alright, so this is a very simple tip, but trust me, it's gonna be very useful. Let me just show you guys. First, go to Window, then Arrange, and click on the name of the picture file you're on. Afterwards, go to Windows, Arrange again, and then tube up vertical, or whatever way you want your pic to be shown as. Then, finally make one of the pics zoom in, while the other in full frame, and do your clone stamping or whatever tool you want to use. That way, as you're zooming in to use the tool, you can see the full frame version changing as well, so you don't have to keep on zooming in and out. You know, it's kind of like a hassle. You're welcome. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching till the end of episode 2 of Photoshop 101. And yeah, hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys learned 2 new things in Photoshop, which I know you have today because I tried my best to keep it as short as simple for you guys as possible, because this is Photoshop 101, alright? Anyways, right now I know still COVID is happening and like lots of things are happening around the world. So I hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, have the social distance requirement things and all that. Yeah, so take care, alright? Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next episode of Photoshop 101. Thank you guys for staying till the end and listening to me yabbing all around. And right now it's 11 PM for me. And yeah, I gotta go sleep, alright? So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.